Hey guys, this is Alex. In this video, we're going to be unboxing this DJI Mini 2 quadcopter drone. All right, so we're going to unbox this thing, and I got this from Amazon. It came in a larger box, and I was a little surprised at how small this box is. I know that the drone folds up and whatnot, but I was impressed at how small and compact the box itself is. So here we are, and there's a little piece of tape that goes right here, and I've already cut that to open it. So we open it up, and here's the drone right here on top. So pull that out, and we'll take more of a look at that in a minute. So we've got the drone and the plastic piece, and then inside we've got something with a QR code down here. We open this up, and we can see cables and extra propellers. It looks like in here is instructions and documentation. So we'll set that aside for now. Little advertisement. So we've got our cables, little screwdriver, extra parts, pieces, joysticks for the controller. Take this out. And the controller down here at the bottom. Okay. So just to make sure, I don't think there would be anything down here in the bottom, but want to check and make sure. And I can't even get it out, so yeah, I don't think there's anything down there. Nope, nothing down there. Okay, so that's everything. So here's the drone and the controller and all the little extra small things, propellers and whatnot. So let's go ahead and take this controller out. Looks like it comes open down here. It is sealed with stickiness right here, well sealed. And we'll need the joysticks to screw those in. All right, let's take a look at the drone. So it looks like the propellers are taped together. So we'll undo that. And those kind of fold out. Okay, what about the bottom propellers? Are taped together as well. The little QR code. Not sure what the QR code is for. Maybe buying more propellers? I don't know. Looks like the camera came with a little protective piece on it. And it looks like we've got tape on the sides here holding that in place. So go ahead and take that off. It says something. It says, please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. Okay. I'm trying to be super gentle. So we got some more tape back here. And I don't know if there's supposed to be an order that I do this in, but I guess as long as I don't break anything, it doesn't matter. So the little tab is kind of hard to get a hold of back here. There we go. That's where the battery will go. Okay. So then we've got little instructions here on the side. Unfold the front arms forward, unfold the rear arms downward. So these go down. I guess I should do the front ones first, maybe. Like I said, I'm just trying to be super cautious. Forward, forward, down, down. There we go. Now this seemed to stick a little bit. There we go. Okay. So it looks like it's got little hinges. So it will hinge in and then lock in place, something to that effect. I don't know, but got it off. So there we are, there's the drone. Okay, so we'll go ahead and unscrew these, or rather screw them in, unpackage them and screw them in. Looks like they're the same, so it doesn't matter which goes left and which goes right. A little bit of rubber on the sides and grippy on top. There we are. Different modes. And I will, of course, read through all of the instructions and thoroughly familiarize myself with the workings of all these things. All right, there's that. So I guess the battery is already in here. Yeah. Now this only comes with one battery. So that opens up and here we are with the battery. Not, there we go. Looks like you pinch down right here and it slides out. So battery comes inside. Now I got just the basic kit. And this is it. So it comes with just enough to basically get you started. There are some that come with extra batteries and whatnot. It does not come with a micro SD card, which you need for the videoing and the photoing. So I went ahead and bought one at Walmart. This is separate. This does not come with it. It also does not come with any sort of carrying case, which I ordered one of those as well over here. So just as a bonus, I'll go ahead and unpackage this. Also got this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not sure, I don't remember what the brand is or even what that says. JSVer, JSVER, I think. But go ahead and open that real quick. Personally, I think it's super important that you be able to carry these things safely and, you know, that they don't break or anything. And what I liked about this particular carry case is that it comes with things to protect the wings and the controller, the joysticks, while it's inside here. So the drone will fold up and go here. The controller will go here, and here's spaces for batteries and whatever else needs to be carried up here, maybe extra wings or something. So super happy with that. I looked at multiple different cases, carrying cases on Amazon. I felt like that one looked the best. I also wanted one that was small and compact that I could put in my one bag if I'm not carrying too many clothes. And some of them would have taken up too much space, but this one won't. So happy with that. But this is pretty much it. I did go ahead and buy an extra battery, and that came in at the time that the drone came in. So I do have 2 batteries ready to go, and that will be super useful. But I'm super excited about this. Now I just need to read through all the instructions and make sure I don't break anything. But other than that, there we are. And she'll be ready for a maiden voyage, hopefully tomorrow. So that's it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like or subscribe button down below. I will try to upload a video with some of the footage taken from the first trip and let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching.